tulina competition bbiri, waliwo Amateur Open, Tusker Uganda Amateur Open etandikanga mwezi y'omunaana okuva 10th mpaka ku 13th.
We chose to sponsor this year's golf tournament because we consider it very important and key for this market, Uganda. So that is why we have chosen to sponsor this event, and we are offering 36 million Uganda shillings, which also include 2 business class round trip tickets to Abu Dhabi, the capital city of United Arab Emirates, and the winners will have the opportunity to stay in one of the best hotels in Abu Dhabi for 3 nights, and they can as well enjoy the playing golf in one of the the world-class golf course in Abu Dhabi.